welcome back to STEAM class with Miss Jackie. In this STEAM class, we will learn about science, technology, engineering, art, and math. In this month, we will make a cardboard crane. Wow, it will be so fun! And for this week, the materials that you need are cardboard, a thin cardboard, and pen, scissor, craft knife, ruler, and also marker. Are you ready and excited? Okay, let's start. These are the materials for week 1. Cardboard, thin cardboard, ruler, craft knife, scissor, and pencil. First, we need to make cardboard A. You need to make 2 of them. How you make it is 22 centimeters and 22 centimeters. And remember, please put some mark on your cardboard so you will not mix it with other cardboard. For cardboard B is 18 centimeters and 18 centimeters. For cardboard C, you need only 1. Is 12 centimeters and 12 centimeters. For cardboard D, you need 6. Is 5 centimeters and 5 centimeters. For cardboard E, you need 12. Is 7 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Cardboard F, you need to make a circle with diameter 4 centimeter and you need 4 pieces. Cardboard G, you need to make 2. And this is how you measure it. 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 9 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Cardboard H, you need to make 2. 36 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Cardboard I, you need to make 8. 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Cardboard J, you need to make 2. 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. For thin cardboard, you need to make a circle with diameter of 2 centimeter. You need to make 4. Example, for cardboard D, you need to measure first 5 centimeters and then 5 centimeters. And then you cut it. Please make sure to check your Google Classroom for all the measurement from cardboard A until cardboard J. Okay, we have done cut all the materials for cardboard crane. And next week, we will make holes in the cardboard materials that we have made and attach certain things for the next step making the cardboard crane. The material that you need for next week are toothpicks, unused pen so you can pinch a hole in the material, and also craft knife. That's it for today and see you next week. Bye everyone!